It's Prime Day.
It is. I've already checked out a couple things, but I actually haven't pulled the trigger on anything.
Well, I was like 5 things that I was hoping would be cheaper, and 4 of them weren't, and one of them was significantly on sale, so I ordered that one thing.
Well,
you'll know it when it comes.
Oh, I'm sure.
When Brandon delivers, the box,
No
you'll
problem.
know.
Yeah, so it's coming FedEx. Okay.
One of the big blue pots.
Oh, of course.
Yes, it was significantly on sale.
Well, he likes delivering that because
it's light and it's big. It takes a lot of room on his truck, and it doesn't cause him a lot of...
to show the muscles.
Yeah.
It's like, this huge box.
I don't like Prime Day being on shopping day.
Yeah,
I can't sit at my computer and check.
All day, yeah.
It would be better if I was working on Legos and I could. But I'm counting on the ladies' Facebook, Ladies Lego Lounge from Facebook group.
Yeah.
To alert me to any deals. There is one deal out there this morning for a Disney Princess Lego castle, and it's $20 cheaper than it is at Lego right now. So you lose points, but you gain possibly Prime Rewards points, and it's $20 cheaper. So I don't think the points on Lego can overcome that savings. So that would be, but that's not a set I'm particularly interested in. So. Right. Anyway, I'll be looking, though. I may have to pull over, or while I'm sitting there at the chiropractor this morning, I'll be shopping.
Oh, I'm sure you will.
Are you ready for breakfast? All right. Go to your spot. Go to your spot. Nope, not down from your spot. Up to your spot. Aww. Aww. Come on, Tux, up to your spot. You know what to do. Come on, buddy. You know what to do. He goes, yeah, stand here, look confused, and ask Mom to lift me up. Oh. There you go. There you go. All right, let me go get the other bowl, Morris. I'm sorry, Morris. Morris. Mom. Hi. All right, here we go. Now I'm putting down what they'll eat, and especially what they'll eat in a timely manner, because with it being summertime and hot and flies and everything else, we don't want 5 tons out here. Good boys. Yeah, they're back over there working on the septic this morning. You can certainly hear them. I am headed out the door for the normal Tuesday stuff today. And yeah, it's supposed to be 101 degrees today, and that is not what it feels like. That's real temperature. So we'll see if we hit that or not. 98, 102, 95, 101. It's just all stinking hot. Hopefully everybody's air conditioning that was out last week has been fixed. I haven't heard. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I'm enjoying the morning serenade of trees being shredded over there. They're in behind the, up there by where the truckers are, coming into the side of between their property and the steel works place. God, I'll be glad when that's done. Every morning lately. Anywhere there's a laundry basket is where you are, right? Hi. Let's go feed Gray, though. Good morning, Gray. Oh, I'm so happy. There you are. I didn't see you yesterday morning because I accidentally scared you into submission and hiding. Hi, honey. Hi. Good girl. Good girl. You make me smile when I open the door and you're there in the morning. Look at the birds out there this morning. There's hundreds of little birds. Now we've got about 30 minutes. It is what it is. Prime Day, Yeah. Like I said, Prime Day, let's not do it on Tuesdays. Tuesdays are not good. Not a terrible lot going on up here this morning. No mowing. Can't hear the construction down the trail, which is good. Camp kids are having their morning snack or breakfast at the pavilion. I guess now they're walking back over to the building. And we did the pogo loop one time, and now we're doing the track one time. And that's all we got time for this morning, unfortunately. But the park has had the trash picked up, so that's good. Yeah, so there was a lot of activity here when we came past this morning, on the left and the right. They're definitely down the trail this morning with, you know.
Yeah, well, those trees look like they knocked those over.
Yeah, and then they're really where all the grinding and stuff is coming from is over here. They're all down in there.
Yeah.
That's where that machine is. I recognize it. The one that does all the damage and the noise. Well, let's see how the on-ramp to the turnpike is over here today. Doesn't look too bad. No traffic backup. On-ramps are like a race course, you know. I am done at the chiropractor's office. It's going on 12:30. I was in there extra today. I did the PEMF and the TENS type unit heat, and then saw the chiropractor as well. And I talked about not feeling good and the chest pain. And what happens is besides the fact that I parked too close to the curb and my foot got caught just then, my first and second rib that gets out of alignment, and then it causes a lot of pain. So she said, and I agree, the spinners, that once every 3 months would be good to keep it where it's supposed to be and me out of pain. So anyway, it's better, and hopefully it'll stay better. And sometimes if I let it go too long, I have to have her do it twice to really get it back on track. Oh, she did that massaging thing back there, and just the goosebumps and the stress release from, yeah, that's worth it. That's worth it right there, plus the adjustment. So I'm still going to do Guardian Angel Apex and then Whole Foods, but I'm going to get home, a little later tonight. Ruby's definitely saying it's hot. Here on the asphalt, it's 95 degrees. I see a Bolt and an EV6, at least. But I am not staying in the parking lot any extra today. Let's get inside. At least the parking spot I prefer was available today. That's marked $2.99. At that price, I'm definitely taking it home for you-know-who. Not a tempting color or pattern for me, but they have $5 on it, and that sure is a nice Pyrex bowl. Pot was $1. It's not in great shape, but it's worth $1. Hangers $1.15. Clear glass like the ones I have in the kitchen to replace the one I broke. The mermaid sign and another little Victorian house. I spent less than $10 today. That should make up for the times when I spend more than $10, right? That's what I was thinking. Well, at least inside it should really feel air conditioned, right? At home, Tempest is saying it's 89 but feels like 101. The parking lot temperature here is 96. It's plenty hot out there. It's not comfy and cool out there today. No, it's not. It's already going on 2 o'clock. I had warned Dawn that I was at the chiropractor longer than normal and would be home later than usual. Doesn't matter. Nothing gating my arrival home today. The guys are gonna love unloading the groceries in the heat. I'm sorry in advance. I bet that is really good, but the second ingredient is sugar. If they're caramelized good, they shouldn't need sugar, right? Up in front of me is a white Y and a blue 3. There was a red Y on Holly Springs Road coming into Fuquay too. This is one big happy Tesla family out here. Everything went good at Whole Foods, and I'm coming into Fuquay now. Should be home shortly.
Johnny.
This is belt driven. This is what weight class again?
Plastic ant. Yeah.
Plastic ant. This is a brand new robot. All right, that's a great demo. Let's stop while we're winners.
Hold on, I gotta show you a video.
Okay. Whoa, baby!
I'm gonna call it Buzzsaw.
Woo! Good.
I'm very happy it did exactly what I wanted it to.
Yeah, baby.
Yay! It's only 120, 30 degrees up here. We love you. I haven't looked at the radar, but it's raining out there. And Tux and Stripe are both on the cat platform. Tux only gave him a little bit of a stink eye.